Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In our channel, we bring you the latest and greatest gadgets that will level up your entertainment experience. So today I have something truly amazing to share with you. Let us see a budget segment phone, and which is very useful for aged persons and for persons who does not like to use smartphones nowadays. This phone is from Saregama and it is called Saregama Carvaan mobile phone. So this is the box of the phone, and this phone comes with 1000 evergreen songs in Tamil language. So that is why it is mentioned as Tamil here. So there are like multiple languages options also available for this phone. Here if you see in the front of the box, there are like legends printed on the box with the phone. Onto the side of the phone if you see, here also you can see the legends, songs, whatever is there in the phone. And behind it is mentioned as creating music since 1902. Saregama is a company where it produces and distributes the music for film industry. So that is why it is mentioned as creating music since 1902. And let us see what all features it has. Like as it is mentioned, so it has 1.8-inch display, 800 mAh battery, so it has 1000 preloaded evergreen songs, and it has 4 GB of memory space, out of which 1.4 GB is free. King voice must be representing to the speaker of the phone, and it has 2.5D glass, saves up to 1000 contacts, and it has wired and wireless FM, Bluetooth, Carvaan signature sound, multi-language support, Mega Torch, MKT processor, dual SIM, and auto call and voice recording. On the side of the box, it is mentioned as the model of the phone is written on here. It's like M12, and the language of the songs in the phone is Tamil, so it is written Tamil. And the product model is called as Dawn. It has 1 year warranty, and it has SARS radiation certificate. It's a Make in India product, and this is a website where you can see the product full review. On top there are few IME numbers and stickers, all these things. Bottom you have the manufacturers and supplier details, box content, what color is it, what is the model name, device number, all these things are there. So let us proceed the video by unboxing. Now let us take my unboxing knife and start opening the seal. You can just flip open it and it will get opened. And let me open the box. So once you open the seal, let us pull out the box and see what is there inside. So inside the box you have mobile phone, a battery and a charger. Let us dive deeply and see what and all is there. This is the mobile itself. Let me keep it aside and let us see what is there in the box. Then we'll come to the mobile. This is a 800 mAh battery. So open it. So this is the battery, how it looks. There are some additional details of it where you want it. You can pause the video and read. And there is a charger. It's a B-pin charger adapter, and on the adapter also it is mentioned like Carvaan. You have a 1 year warranty leaflet in this where you can fill up the details. In back are some warranty policies. If you want it, you can pause the video and read. Now let us dig deep into the mobile and see what this mobile can do. Let me take the guard from here. Now this is 1.8 inch display, and let me also remove the cover of it to put the battery. Yes. So once we remove the back panel of it, here is a SIM slots like 1 and 2. There is a attached memory card here where it has the don't remove seal on it. So like here is a memory card slot, and you have the IME number and other stuffs here. And this is a speaker. So here is the King speaker, which was mentioned in the box. I think this is a pretty loud speaker, and the product is kind of okay. It's a plasticky feel. Let us put the battery and switch on it. Like normal keypad phones, you'll have to put the battery, then close the back panel, press it. So now let us see the first two. Yeah. This is the first boot of the phone. Let us go to the menu and see first. So when we enter to the menu, the first thing is like Saregama. When we press it, like it has like 4 options. First is artist, second is mood, third is favorite, and fourth is all songs. Like artist, I'll select. So here you can see the pictures of Ilayaraja, T.M. Soundarajan, P. Sushila, S.P. Balasubramaniam, M.S. Vishwanathan, and others. If you press others, it directly starts the music from the thing. Let me go back. Let me go to S.P. Balasubramaniam and select. We are in the playlist of S.P. Balasubramaniam. S.P. Balasubramaniam has 87 songs in this. Others has 345 songs. M.S. Vishwanathan has 153 songs. P. Sushila has 151 songs. T.M. Soundarajan has 124 songs. Ilayaraja has 152 songs. So totally if you calculate, it comes to close to 1000. Now let me go to S.P. Balasubramaniam and play his first song. This audio will be recorded into the mic. Let me play it. Like the top and down arrow button is used for increasing and decreasing the volumes, and the left and right is to change the tracks. So I have decreased it. Now let me put it back. Wow, it was mentioned like King speaker. It is definitely a King speaker. If you are using it without headphones, this is like pretty much okay to listen the songs. Now let me change the track. The buttons are very user friendly and there is no lag in the user interface. It plays very smooth. So I'll go back. Let me go to moods. Once in mood, there is like Carnatic music, Carnatic instrumental, Hindu devotional, Islamic devotional, and Christian devotional. So let me go to Carnatic music. So this has 50 songs, like it is written here 1/50. So 50 songs. Let me go to instrumental. This has 51 songs. Hindu devotional has 150 songs. Islamic devotional has 26 songs. And Christian devotional has 25 songs. So let me play a Carnatic instrumental now. So if we long press the next button, it's playing like forward. I'll stop it, then I'll come back. Once I come back, and there are like favorites. I think we can add up to 10 songs as a favorites, as that is already listed there. Let me go to list and see, these are the favorites. And this button goes to all song, whatever is there. In this we'll come to know how many songs are there. So there are totally 1000 songs. So friends, hope you enjoyed the unboxing video and seeing the demo of the phone. This is really helpful for the person who are aged, like grandparents, anyone like that. So basically thing is, if they want to hear any songs, they can go into this Saregama menu and start listening to the favorite song whichever is there in this phone. And this phone is also useful for the person who is having any issues in their eyes or visually impaired. So it has a speaker, like it says generally whatever the buttons are pressed, like if they want to go to menu, they can hear it and go generally. Hope you like this video friends, and if you think if this mobile is useful to any of your family members or the elders in the family, you can just gift it to them. And the link of this phone will be in the description below. If you like this video, just give a thumbs up which is down below. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, you can subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your friends and families and tell them also to subscribe to the channel. And tell them also if any of their relatives, they wanted a cheaper mobile which is in budget segment and very useful. So hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.